we cannot forget, we have this really cool car here. This is by Apexi USA. They built this vehicle for us, just for SEMA. Thank you very much, Apexi. You guys are amazing. Car looks great. They got this front bumper, it's Tom's. Freshly painted, just installed, right for SEMA. And just look at this, guys. And as you can see here, these canards look pretty cool. They're super functional as well. It all looks like one piece, but the canard is actually a separate piece that you paint and you install afterwards. And on top of that, like, everything just flows. Really cool. It looks very aggressive, but at the same time, it just matches the car so well, right? With the larger grille, this sharper looking rectangle mouth, it makes it really cool. And if you haven't noticed, very subtle, but we installed a front camera right here. This is to ensure you don't bust your front lip, right? I mean, you spend so much money getting it painted and installed, like, you want to protect it as much as possible. And to do that, we have this front camera. Okay, looking at the car from the side, it's just equipped with a lot of Tom's products. So we got this Tom's carbon fiber piece right here. We also have the Tom's side mirrors. We also have a lot of Tom's interior pieces that I'll show you in a bit. And also the side skirts, of course. Don't let this interrupt you, but put some tape here because there's gonna be people going in and out demonstrating our sound system. So we have that over there. And beautiful TE37 wheels. You could never go wrong with TE37 wheels. Always look great, especially on this car. And it's a really nice theme, the red and white, right? Looks really nice. If you look back here, we have a really cool wing here. This is also Tom's. It really gives that hatchback an even look, because sometimes it could kind of be angled too much like this way, but it really extends out the top roof, which makes it look really cool. And it also has a mid-wing right here fitted on the trunk. Looks really cool. It could be subtle for someone who doesn't know it's there, but for a Corolla owner, you'll definitely know it's there. And it really just makes the car feel longer and more sporty. And kind of hard to see, but it has another carbon fiber piece here by Tom's. Also these side diffuser pieces on the rear bumper. And hidden from here, of course, the Apexi exhaust. All right, so let's open the door because there's a lot more stuff going on the inside. So inside here, all these dry carbon pieces over here are by Tom's as well. It looks very cool, just overlays, but it really gives that very sporty, high quality feeling in this vehicle. We have this, we also have the cluster cover, and it goes across many different parts of the interior. Feels very, very nice. And if you haven't noticed it already, we have these Brid seats here. This model is carbon fiber and it's super comfortable. Gives you a wider seat here, so for someone who's looking for a bit more comfort and not a full-on bucket seat, this is perfect. And these Brid rails makes it sit very, very low. On top of that, it has a very cool steering wheel system by JQ Works. Very nicely made, and this retains all the steering wheel controls. So all the newer cars have so many controls on the steering wheel. You don't want to lose it, but at the same time, you want to upgrade your steering wheel to make it more track friendly. Here it is, guys. JQ Works. All the buttons feels very nice. And there's a little dial here. Very high quality piece, okay? Sorry, that was not intentional. That was just testing out the buttons, and I think it's working. And over here, the shifter, this is one of the favorite parts of this car. I got to drive this car a few times, and this one is shifting CAE. All right, this one's the CAE shifter, very well made. Really give you that confidence when you're shifting into gears, and at the same time, it raises your shifter, which places it closer to your steering wheel. But when you're tracking your car, it makes it a faster shifting experience. All right, so these are all the cool features of the car, but most importantly, the reason why we are here at SEMA is to show you Beastonic products. And in this vehicle, we have the Encore 3 Series plug-and-play amplifier. And on top of that, we have the upcoming front camera interface. So I'm gonna hand over the mic to Hendrik. He's gonna tell you all about it.